Dear students, today I am going to teach you one very important topic. And as a Indian citizen, each and every person should know the emergency power of president. And in democracy, what is the importance of emergency powers of the president? I would like to explain this one. And this topic is very relevant topic. So emergency power. So dear student, there are three type of emergency. First one, general emergency, and second one, state emergency, and third one, financial emergency. So three emergencies are there, and with reference to the first emergency, general emergency. Now, Article 352. According to the provision of the Article 352, President is empowered to introduce national emergency, and there are two conditions mentioned. Earlier, what was the condition? If internal aggression or external aggression given, means internal disturbance or external aggression. What do you mean by this one? Internal aggression means if civil war type situation will be there. Okay. Second one, external aggression means if China attacked on India or Pakistan attacked on India, means foreign country attacked on India. In that condition, President is empowered to impose national emergency. But now amendment taken place, only two grounds are there. First one, if armed rebellion taken place. Armed rebellion means, you know this one, in our country, many branches of the armies are there. Like PSC, police, and NDRF, and army, okay, paramilitary force, okay, navy, air force. So these many branches of the army forces are there. Suppose armed rebellion is started, so in that condition, national emergency can be introduced by President of India. First point clear. Second ground is there. If China attacked or Pakistan attacked, means foreign attack taken place. In that condition, emergency can be imposed, and this is known as general emergency. Now, so first one clear. Second emergency is there, state emergency. What do you mean by this one? So one keyword I am telling, if state machineries is failed, meaning, for example, I am giving, suppose in Bihar, Nitish government, respected Nitish Kumar is CM of Bihar, and he is not able to control law and order, and complete constitutional machineries is failed, lawlessness taken place, anarchy came to existence. In that circumstances, according to Article 356, state emergency will be imposed by President of India. When, dear students, state emergency will be imposed, so that will be imposed in respective state only. Means, according to the 356, only state, when respective state emergency will be imposed. Okay, but in General Assembly, it can be imposed entire the nation or irrespective one region. Both can be possible. But in the State Assembly, only one point is there. It can be introduced only in that respective state. Okay, like second example, suppose our respected Yogi ji not able to control the UP and constitutional machinery is failed. Suppose, I think you know how Yogi ji is doing his job, okay, very nicely. Law and order has been maintained very nicely. I think you know this one. This is an example. So try to understand. If UP government is not able to control the situation, lawlessness is there, law and order collapse. In that circumstances, President will use Article 356, and emergency will be imposed only in UP. So by two example, I think my students are getting very much. So these are important point regarding state emergency. So dear students, first I have taught you national emergency, second are general emergency. National emergency and general emergency are same, and state emergency is state emergency. Now third one, that financial emergency. According to Article 360, if credit system of the country will collapse, or means instability of the credit system, or economic instability taken place, Sri Lanka type position, I think you know this one, and economic crisis, monetary control failed. So this type of crisis will be there related to the economy. Then President of India will impose financial emergency according to 360, and this is known as financial emergency. And I would like to mention here that till today financial emergency has not been imposed in our country. So try to understand, national emergency also imposed, I think you know, China attacked on India, Pakistan attacked on India in that condition. Okay, emergency imposed, national emergency, state emergency many times. Okay, but financial emergency has not been imposed till today, I am telling. So it should be very, very clear. Now, so first one I have taught you, again going to repeat this one. First one I have taught you general emergency according article article 360, and two grounds I have taught. First ground is there, armed rebellion, and second ground is there, external aggression, means warlike situation. Second, in general in the state emergency, I have told you only one keyword is there: if state machineries is failed, lawlessness will be there, law and order has been not maintained, fully collapse in that circumstances. Okay, article 356 will be used and state emergency will be imposed. Third one, when financial crisis will be there, credit system collapse, monetary control collapse, in that circumstances President of India will introduce financial emergency and article 360. Suppose one trick is there, better one trick I am going to tell you. Suppose you have forgotten which emergency means article, so only you have to learn only one, article 352. So you have to add 4, then 352 plus 4, 356, again you will add 4, so 356 plus 4, 360. So in first I have taught you article 352, general emergency. Second I have taught article 356, state emergency, and last one I have taught article 360, financial emergency. Okay, so basically one very important term I would like to mention here, and each and every child should know. Basically emergency will be imposed by President of India, but I think you know it is our constitutional procedure that if Council of Ministers will advise to President of India, then only President of India will introduce emergency in the in state or national emergency or financial emergency. So you should be very, very clear that President will discharge his or her duty according to the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. So only this much topic is there. So now today only this much I will teach, okay, only this much, and if any problem is there regarding this lesson, so you can ask me any question. Okay, so today only this much I'll teach, and next day, dear students, I will come with another video. So these 3 points are very, very important. So next day I will come with another video. Dear students, thank you.